Hello and welcome to another episode of
DollyDTV.
Today on Wacky Wednesday we're doing Pickin Chickens.
Woo!
So, Pickin Chickens, what on earth is this? This is something that Mummy got us, didn't she, the other day. So this is what the game looks like. So we're going to have a go. Open the box and play it, see what it's like, give you a bit of a review on it.
Yeah, and also, we got some...
Oh, you've got a special visitor, haven't you, today?
So I got Sonic, I got Batman, and I got Sonic's back car.
So you've got Sonic, let's show everyone your thingies and then we'll show you the game. So yeah, we've got this one here, look, you can see Sonic and... Who's that? That's
Batman.
Batman. Oh, the thingy Batman, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then who have you got, Isabella?
Hedgie.
You've got, I'm sure you've seen this one before, this is Hedgie. Who's like the hedgehog thing.
It's actually called Sally Seeds, but I call it Hedgie.
Hedgie because it's hedgehog. Right, okay. So, if you want to put those to one side and then we'll start playing this game.
When I just got it, I just started calling it Hedgie. Batman's going to help me.
Pardon?
Sonic and Batman's going to help me.
Are they going to help you, are they?
Yeah.
I can see this possibly will go wrong.
Yes.
Ah, now there's a lot of green on here, so we'll have to change the green screen, I think.
To like...
Green. Right. So, what have we got here? Box. Empty. Right, let's have a look. Close all this. We've got chicken houses. Right, let's try and keep these all reasonably... Right, Spence, you right there.
You have to spin it.
Yeah, we have to go that way. Look. Right, so you sit back. I will find out how we do this. So, Pickin Chicken, save your chickens from the Jumping Fox game. 2 to 4 players, age 4 plus. So, 16 chickens, 4 red, 4 yellow, 4 blue, and 4 green. 12 chicken coops, rotating game base, field circle, check. 4 double-sided chicken cards, 1 farmer card. Instructions: there are 2 games, one for younger chicks, a little easier, and the main game for older chicks. The aim of the game, young chicks game, so I think that's what we'll try today. To be the first player to collect 4 chickens of any colour by spinning the field circle and picking which coop to take under each turn. Ooh. So, let's see. So that's how we set the game up. Step 1. So push all the chicken coops firmly into the holes. Right. Okay, so what we're going to do is get all the houses and push them into the holes like that so that they click in, I think. There you go. So do you want to you start doing that, Isabella, while I thingy it? And you're going to help me with this, Spencer. Right, so we have got... Push all the chickens into the coop firmly into the holes in the field circle. It's easy to put one long coop side first. Yeah, push them in. Keep all the small model chickens in a pile near the field circle. Right, so we put them to one side. Put the farmer card by the chicken pile. Yeah, we'll do that. Press down firmly on the fox head, pushing him down into the tree trunk. I think he's already in there myself. It says, and close the lid halves. Each player takes a chicken card and lays it in front of them, with the white chickens facing up. So where's the cards? Let's have a look. So let's open these up. Let's have a look what we've got. So we've got cards here. Sorry, Izzy. So that's the so that's the farmer card. And we've got these other cards here, which are like the smaller cards. Oh, you'll see them easier there. So, let's have a look. It says here, I'm not quite understanding this one. So, you have one of these. Go on, you sit down there. You have one of those. White chickens facing up. You have one. White chickens facing up. And I have one. White chickens facing up. So, we've all got our card. Let's put this in the middle. Let's move that out of the way.
I can't see it.
Can't see what? No, you can see it on there, look.
Oh yeah.
What we'll do is we'll switch between the two when we're playing it. So, let's just move some of these bits out of the way. Right. So, we've got the game ready. Playing a turn. The youngest player starts by holding one of the 4 brushes along the edge of the field circle and giving the whole field a good spin in the direction of the arrow facing the bush. So, if you look here, see the bush? And there's the arrow. You spin it whoosh, that way, look, yeah? And
But what about the chickens?
We'll find out in a second. Right, so we spin it The unit field circle is spinning the direction the arrow is for the field beside the bushes. Once the field circle has stopped spinning, players take turns in picking up a chicken coop, starting with the player who spun. Then the person to their left, and so on. So you do it, then I do it, and then you do it. Okay? Under a chicken coop, a player will find a picture of either a chicken or the farmer. If the chicken is shown, the player takes a model chicken off the same colour from the pile and puts it on the one white chicken space on the card. So if you go, oh look, there's a green chicken, you pick up a green chicken, you put it on your playing card like that. So, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. If there is no model chickens left of that colour, the player does nothing that turn. So then it says, if the farmer is revealed, the player takes the farmer card from whoever has it at the moment. Every player must take a chicken if they can, or the farmer card before the next player lifts their own coop. Right, I think we've got this now. I think we're ready to play. It's a bit complicated, but right, so go on, spin it. No, don't let go. Right, spin it, Spence. Right, now take a house off. What's in there? Green chicken! So you get a green chicken and you put it on one of your things there, and there's a chicken coop. Right.
I want to check.
Anywhere you want. No, you don't need to. These are all the same on the back. You just need to put it on one of those. Right. Now it's my go. Ready? Right, I'm going to take this one off. Blue chicken.
You got a blue chicken, actually.
Right, so blue chicken. Go on, then you spin it. Right, now you've got to take a house off. Or a coop, I should say. Chicken coop. What have you got?
Red.
Red chicken. Go on then. I'll get you a red chicken. You put it on there. Right, go on, Spence. You got to spin it now. Wowzers, that's a good spin. Green chicken. Oh, you've already got a green chicken. What do we do? I think if you've already got a green chicken, another country that I'd find a picture of the chicken. Yeah, so you don't do anything with that, Spence.
So.
You've got to try and get one of each. Watch out, you got Sonic's head there. Right, ready? So, that goes over there. So, it's my go then. There's an element of gambling in here, isn't there? Red chicken. So I've got a red chicken there. Go on, your turn.
I'm gonna die.
No one dies.
Ooh, no.
A red chicken. Oh, I already got one of them. Go on. Go on then, take one off, Spence. Blue chicken. Looks like Spence is going to win. Didn't you? What colour did you have originally? Oh, you had a green, didn't you?
No, I had it there. Your neck and
neck. There you go. So, right, neck and neck. So you got a blue and a green. Right, it's my go, isn't it? Yeah. Right, let's take this one off. Blue chicken. Oh, I've already got a blue chicken, haven't I? Go on then, you spin it. I wonder whether we should put the coops back, because we're running out of them, aren't we? Go on then.
Can't. Blue chicken.
Blue chicken. Oh, no, we haven't. Ah! Right, we all have to put one back. Oh.
I like screamed.
I think, you know, I think there's a bit of a problem with this game. In that, watch this, right? What can happen is, I think we need to pick. Let's just stick these back. Well, watch. Right, if I go for this one here, blue chicken, yeah? Watch. And say if that stops there and I go for it again, it's going to be another blue chicken, isn't it? Because it's in the same place. So if that moves there, that one might be different. This one might be green chicken. So it's quite easy to get the same chicken on the thing. So I think what we do is put some of these back.
I've got a red chicken left. You've both got blue chicken left.
Yeah. I think what we're supposed to do is probably we'll spin it. So where are we up to? We've all just thinking it's Spencer go again, yeah? Go on, spin, Spence. Right, just pick one anywhere. Farmer. So you've got the farmer card. Right, we're all neck and neck now, aren't we? Mine go, ready? I'm going to go for this one. Yellow chicken. So, yellow chicken. Right, go on, your go, Isabella, baby. Red chicken. What have you got? Oh, you've already got a red chicken, haven't you?
Dog.
Right, Go on, Spence. You spin. Which one are you going to go for? That one? Yellow chicken. Go on then, you get yellow chicken.
I really want to get the farmer.
Well, he's got it now, so you can't. He's protected by the farmer. Right, I'm going to go for this one. What colour's that?
Farmer!
Oh, farmer. So, right, I get the farmer card now.
What's on the back of the farmer card?
Another farmer. Right, so, your spin, go on. I know what you're doing. Blue chicken. Go on then, get a blue chicken.
I'm keeping focus on the...
Yes,
on
you're going to cheat, I know you are. That's why I'm wondering whether we're supposed to put the houses back.
No, guys. No.
Right, go on, your turn, spin it. Green, go on, green chicken. Oh, looks like Spencer's getting close here. I want to know if we put the coops back. Another chicken coop.
I'm going to spin it for you, Daddy.
Ah, so, because I've got the farmer, I don't lose any chickens, but you both lose one.
I put my blue back. I never put one back. I'll do it for you then.
Whose go is it then?
Mine.
Why won't that go back in? It's your go. Go on then. Where are you going to go? That one. What's that? Yellow. Go on, yellow chicken. Right, your go, Spence. Go on, you spin. Red chicken. Oh, you're good. He's good at this. Go on, red chicken. Right, my go. I'm going to go for this. What is it? Yellow chicken. Oh, I've already got yellow chicken. Go on then, Iz. What's that then? Blue chicken. Oh look, you two are next. No, not yet. Go on, blue chicken. Right. Go on then, Spence. Right, you've got to get one of those. I'm going for that one. What's that? Green chicken. Oh, you already got a green chicken, Spence. Right, it's going to be the last one now, isn't it? For this. Green chicken. Oh, look at that.
Now we have to put some...
Now we have to put them all back in. Is it your go next?
Yeah.
Go.
No.
Go on then, pick one.
No, I go first. Yellow.
Yellow. Oh, you already got one. No, it was Isabella's go because you finished. Right, go on. Your turn. A red one. Oh, you already red one. You need to get a blue one, don't you? And I need to get a red one.
I need a green one.
So, I'm going to go for that one there. Oh, it's the farmer. I've already got the farmer. Go on then, Isabella. Your go. Wait a minute. Which one are you going to go for?
Blue.
Blue. Oh. Right, it's your go, Spence. Oh no! We've all got to put one back.
I got
oh no, I don't have to put one back because I've still got the farmer. Here we go. So, who goes in now? Spencer again, wasn't it?
Yeah. No. No. Yeah. No, he made the chicken
Alright,
pop.
so it's my go then. Right, you ready?
He just wants to win. He didn't put one of his chickens back.
Red chicken, no, that means I win. No. I didn't cheat. So, what do you think of this then, kids?
Good. Bad.
Bad. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I sort of think thumbs down, really. It's not as fun as I thought it was going to be. I thought there was going to be like things jumping out and chickens and all that stuff. But it is basically just spin it round, it's suddenly under there and you've got to try and collect them. I think you get a little bit bored with it after a bit, don't you? I think we need a better game. So then, if you'd like to give us thumbs up, that would be great. And if you'd like to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, it would be...
Greatly appreciated.
It would. And until we see you next time on Wacky Wednesday, we will say...
Bye.
Bye-bye.